this is how we sign night. Okay, we're going to use both hands. I'm right-handed, so my non-dominant hand, I'm going to make this hand shape. Fingers together, thumb alongside. Now I'm going to put it right here, palm facing down, kind of like the horizon, maybe. With my right hand, my dominant hand, I'm going to make this hand shape, right? So we have the fingers together, now just bend them down. Now I'm going to go like this, 1, 2, on top of the hand that's facing down. All right, so we have 1, 2, which means night. Okay, so the part that's touching this is probably the bottom of my hand, the wrist area, and we're just going to tap twice. Night. From the side, night. From the other side, night. Okay, so night. Let's do it 3 times, starting from the rest position. Sign with me. Here we go. Night. 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 Okay, so once again, we're going to use both hands. Your non-dominant hand, make a nice platform here. Pretend it's the horizon. This one, go like that. And it's the sun, and it's just going down. And we're just going to tap twice. 1, 2. So we have night. Okay, we just talked about how to sign night. Here is the sign for day. Okay, we're going to use both hands, all right? Starting with our non-dominant hand. So I'm right-handed, my non-dominant hand. Going to make this hand shape, fingers together, thumb alongside. Now I'm going to lay it down here, all right? So the palm is facing down. Nice and level there. With my dominant hand, I'm going to stick up my index finger, all right? Now I'm going to turn it in so it's facing towards me. I'm going to take my elbow and put it on top of the tips of the platform, the fingers down there, okay? Now we just go like this. Day. Day. From the side, day. From the other side, day. Okay, from the front again, day. All right, let's do it 3 times, starting from the rest position. Sign with me. Here we go. Day. 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 So think of this as like the horizon, I guess. This is the sun, and it's up there, and it's going through the whole day, and it sets in the evening, right? So we have day. Once again, non-dominant hand, make a platform down here, palm facing down. Dominant hand, put up your index finger, palm facing in. Put your elbow on top of the back of the hand right here and just go down. So we have day. Good, good. All right, we just talked about the sign for day.